Hello everyone. Hi Virgo. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. So Virgo, let's see your messages and what's going on. Two cards. Virgo, Earth sign. Okay, what's going? Your messages. Five of Pentacles, Justice, and Page of Wands. Seven of Cups, Four of Cups, and King of Cups. Okay, let's see some more. Queen of Pentacles, Devil, and King of Swords. So let's see your reading, Virgo. I seeing some separation in past between both of you in recent past. I think you may be cut off your person from your life. You cut off them because there is no equal give and take. For some, your person may be seeing other options. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But some messages is coming in your way. Definitely they are coming back with an offer, love offer. Already you received some message from your person, and if not, definitely there are going to be some communication from your person. And because Page of Wands is here, I think your person may be good looking. One person in this connection is good looking and handsome. One person may be younger than the other person in this connection. Yeah, but you stand by your power. I think you cut them off from your life. For some, your person may be seeing other options. That's why you are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person, but they are coming back with an love offer. For some, it could be third party situation also. Yeah, your person seeing other options. Someone in this connection have options also. Queen of Pentacles, yeah, it's you. Virgo, you are very giving person and caring person. Definitely now you are concentrating on your career, what I am getting here, rather than this relationship. Yeah, you are holding back your feelings, what I'm getting here, because you invested a lot in this connection. In return, you didn't get anything because there is no equal give and take. There is no commitment. I think your person may be in and out of your life. And King of Swords, definitely some communication is coming in your way, and you are very honest and straightforward person in this connection. Yeah, truth coming out and honest communication is going to be happen. The Devil, your person could be Capricorn, and the Devil means here definitely there is some resistance in this connection and obsession also. Maybe your person obsessed with you, or you may be obsessed with your person, or you both could be obsessed with each other. Okay, take what resonate. Definitely some negative energy is there. Obsession creates resistance in the connection. Okay, for some, your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. That's why they are coming back with their cup of love. King of Cups offer stability. They want to offer this, but it's up to you. Definitely they are coming back. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. Yeah, King of Swords is here. I think you stand by your power. Definitely you got clarity what to do, what not to do, what I am getting here, Virgo. So here lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Capricorn, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Virgo, first we will see your person current feelings. Five of Cups, yeah, they're missing you a lot. Two of Swords, yeah, and Seven of Wands, yeah. I think there are some crossroads. They have to make decision. They're thinking about to make some decision regarding this relationship. I think they're at some crossroads. Okay, they are in some confusion also. They don't know which decision they have to make, because Five of Cups with Two of Swords, definitely they are suffering in silence. They are missing you a lot, because Five of Cups is they're feeling sad for the separation or no contact which had happened between both of you. Definitely they're feeling very very sad. And Seven of Wands, definitely they won't give up on you. They are thinking about, they won't give up on you because they are missing you so much. Yeah, there is love. Definitely they are coming back. I think they are going to be choose you, Virgo, because right now your person may be at some crossroads, but in near future definitely they will make some decision regarding this connection. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, Six of Wands, success. So Virgo, your person near future actions towards you. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So keep in mind. Okay, let's see their near future actions. Wow, Eight of Pentacles. Hermit, it's your card, Virgo. Ten of Cups and the Sun. Okay, yeah, definitely they want you back in their life. They want to work on this relationship this time very seriously. Eight of Pentacles means, yeah, definitely they want to work on this relationship. And Ten of Cups, they want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you. I think the Hermit, right now your person undergoing some transformation. Definitely they are thinking about this relationship a lot. Yeah, they are going to be choose you. They want to work on this relationship. Definitely they will make efforts in near future. In the past your person may be non-committal or in and out of your life, but now they got clarity what they want. Definitely Eight of Pentacles with Ten of Cups, they want this happiness with you. They want this happy family with you. Yeah, the Hermit card is here. Definitely your person undergoing some transformation. After the transformation, definitely they will make some efforts. Okay, and they are suffering. Definitely they are missing you a lot. Five of Cups is here. They won't give up on you. Yeah, they are going to be choose you, Virgo. So you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Virgo especially, or Ten of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Here a lot of earth energy, guys. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future outcome. Wow, Three of Pentacles. Wow, Six of Cups, reconciliation. Yeah. Your person want reconciliation with you, there is no doubt. Under the deck, Eight of Cups, definitely you may be walked away from your person. Yeah. Virgo, someone in this connection is walked away in past. Ten of Swords, Four of Pentacles. I think you have some trust issues, what I am getting here. I want one more card. Yeah, Hermit, Virgo. Definitely you are also undergoing some transformation right now, Virgo. Definitely it's your card. This is a very crucial period for you, what I am getting here, because you are undergoing some transformation. I think it's up to you. Definitely you are holding back. Definitely you have some trust issues regarding your person, what I'm getting here, because Four of Pentacles with Virgo, with Hermit. I think you don't want to express your feelings even though you have feelings for you. Definitely you are holding back this time. I think you want to see how your person will come towards you, whatever. Definitely you are holding back. I think they are coming back with a solid offer, King of Cups, and they want to work Eight of Pentacles with Ten of Cups, and they want reconciliation, and Three of Pentacles. Definitely they want to work on this relationship and they want partnership with you. But Ten of Swords, for some there you also want rebirth in this connection but not expressing your feelings. For some you choose to move on from this person. Ten of Swords, painful endings, and that's why you're isolated from all and not talking to anyone right now. Okay, for some definitely there will be reconciliation if you give another chance. If you're not giving any another chance, definitely there will be some endings. It depends. Okay, so you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Four of Wands, Knight of Swords, Hierophant, Nine of Swords. Yeah, you are also feeling stuck and feeling anxiety when you are thinking about your person. Yeah, often commitment is coming in your way, and a Knight of Swords, definitely they are rushing towards you, and Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11s. Yeah, they are coming back for reconciliation and Four of Wands celebration. I think for some there will be reconciliation. Okay, so let's see your person overall energy for the week. Virgo, the Magician, Temperance, Devil, and Two of Pentacles. Two time, definitely they are obsessed with you. I think, yeah, the Devil card and Two of Pentacles, they are going to be choose you. Definitely there some juggling is going in your person's mind. And Temperance, yeah, you or your person could be Sagittarius also. Temperance means, I think, patience. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because you person also undergoing some transformation. Once the transformation is completed, definitely they will make a move towards you. Yeah, Magician, definitely they are going to be manifest. They want to manifest you back again in their life. Okay, yeah, they decided they are going to be choose you. They are coming back. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. It is clear in this, the message is very clear. It's all about you to make decision. If you want your person back, definitely you will give another chance. If you don't want, I think for some very few, you want to move on from this person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.